Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to turn off notification on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open start menu and I just want to go to settings option. Once I click a settings option, there will be a system settings will be open here. So just select the system setting and just go to notification. So just click here, alert from the app, and all types of sender messages will be there. So here there will be a get notification from the app and senders will be switched on over here. So that's why you got the notification from here. So as you see here, so you can get all kind of notification will be displayed over here. So what you have to do here, so just click here to disable this option, means your application will be switched off from that. For example, if you enable, means all the application notification will be switched on over here. So whenever you switched on the computer or laptop or anything else, you will get a notification. It will be disturbing your entire thing. So what you have to do here, so just enable this option, means automatically your entire things will be display over here, so it will be disabled. So for example, notification will be sent directly by the notification center is an enable do not disturb option. So you have to enable this do not disturb option. So first you need to disable this and you have to enable this do not disturb option, so that you will peacefully work and you can get the notification, but while you select you can see the notification, otherwise it won't disturb in your any other work times process. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.